Somebody told me to play Minecraft and don't show any emotion. And if I do show emotion, the video ends. I think I'm going to switch it up and I'm actually going to watch a random YouTube video. Just a completely random one. And if I show any emotion, the video ends. I'm going to search up random YouTube video. Random YouTube video generator. Mr. Rogers Remix. I don't want to get a copyright strike. Best Coke and Mentos Rocket wins $10,000.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at Josh's house.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you. And today we're going to be doing an awesome challenge.
Is this a clickbaiter guy? Where's the cash? Where's the 10,000? Another clickbaiter. No $10,000. I don't think I showed that much emotion, so I'm gonna generate another random video, and hopefully we can stay calm. Random video.